This video demonstrates how to use QE for BLE in Keil MDK. The project configuration is for the EKRA4W1 evaluation kit. The development flow consists of 4 steps as shown. Step 1. Create BLE custom profile in eSquare Studio. For details on using the QE for BLE in Keil MDK, please refer to this application note. Open a project with the required driver modules installed. Select Renesas Views, Renesas QE, or BLE Custom Profile, to configure BLE Custom Profile for the project. In the Project combo box, select your project. Select Profile, then click the Add button and select Add Service, to add new BLE service. For example, select LED Switch Service. Click Generate Code. In the Project Explorer window, BLE folders and source files have been added. Step 2. Create BLE project for Keil MDK. Run RA Smart Configurator application. Enter the project name and location. Board, EKRA4W1, IDE project type, Keil MDK. RTOS selection, no RTOS. Project template selection, bare metal, minimal. The BLE project is created successfully. Step 3. Add BLE drivers to the project. In Window Explorer, browse to the Keil MDK project folder. Double-click to open the Keil MDK workspace file. To configure RASC in Keil MDK, select Tools, Customize Tools menu, New. Fill in the fields as shown to add RA Smart Configurator. Open FSP configuration of the project by selecting Tools, RA Smart Configurator. Go to Stacks tab. Select New Stack, Networking, BLE Abstraction. Click on Add BLE Library for Network and select New, BLE Driver. Click on Add Timer Driver and select New, Timer, Low Power. Select the RAGT driver. In the Property window, change Underflow Interrupt Priority to Priority 4. Click on Add GPT driver and select New, Timer, General, PWM. Select the RGPT driver. In the Property window, change the Overflow/Crest Interrupt Priority to Priority 2. Select the BSP tab. In the Property window, change main stack size to 0x1000 and heap size to 0x2000. Click on the Generate Project Content button to generate source files and close the RASC. Finally, copy the QE files from eSquare Studio to Keil MDK and build the project. In eSquare Studio, copy the BLE folder. In Window Explorer, browse to the Keil MDK project folder. Paste the BLE folder here. In Keil MDK, change the group name to BLE. Right-click on BLE group and select Add Existing Files to Group BLE. Add all source files inside the BLE folder to the project. Continue to add source file in Discovery folder and Profile CMN folder. Select Target 1 and press Alternate F7 to open the Options dialog. Select the C++ tab. In Preprocessor Symbols, define Renesas RA. In Include Paths, add BLE directory. Right-click on Target 1 and select Rebuild all target files. The project should be built without error.